Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. I'm here again in Lolo. OTB, OTB. I'm carrying the TB. Grocery. See Lolo Supermarket. The sun is so hot already outside. We just buy what we need for today. Anyway guys, today is Tuesday. Happy Tuesday everyone. I'm here again in the mall. Have a nice day everyone and enjoy your day. If you like my video, don't forget to click like, add, click a comment, and subscribe, and of course, don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye. See the painting in the wall. Show you the painting though.